Hi boys and girls, this week we are going to be doing a strategy for addition called counting on. So when I say counting on, you start on a number and say that number and then count whatever the other number is more to find the answer. So first put your name at the top of your paper, and then we're going to practice counting on using the objects you see. So what we do is we say this number and then we count on by how many of the object you see. So that we're going to say 4 and then we're going to count on all of the pirates. So say it with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 8. Very good. Now we're going to say this number, which is 8, and then keep counting. 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Good. So now let's say this number, 5. Now keep counting. 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to say the next one. 1, 2. Okay, I want you to try the next two, and then we'll do them together. So try the first one. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now try the last one. Let's try it together. 7, 8, 9. Very good. So if you turn it over on the book, we're going to be doing the same strategy, only this time we're going to be using our number line to do it. So we look at the first number and we say its name, 4. And so we put our pencil on 4, and then we're going to count on by the second number. So say 4, and then keep counting. 1, 2, 3. What did you end on? 7. Good, so let's do that again. Let's put our pencils on 5 and count on 2. 1, 2. We also landed on 7. Very good. Let's do the next one. 7 plus 0. So we say 7, and then we don't go anywhere because it's 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, so let's try the next one. We're going to say 2, and we're going to count on 6. So start on 2, say its name, 2. Now count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what did you stop on? Good. Okay, this is the last one we're going to do together. I want you to start on 3, and we're going to count on 3. 1, 2, 3. And you ended on 6. Very good. Okay, now I want you to try this side on your own. So you're going to push pause and then try it and then check it with mine. Okay, go ahead and push pause. Okay, so you've tried these on your own. Let's check them and see if you have the answers right. 10. This one is 1. This one is 10. This one is 6. And this one is 6. So, okay, now that you have all the answers, go ahead and turn it into your teacher and then start your dream box or whatever your teacher wants you to do next.